everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with the third video in a series that I'm calling Dollar Tree stickers. So it's just like use your Dollar Tree stickers for card making, but I'm kind of going to put a little twist on it today. I'm not going to really use a sticker, but I am going to use a Dollar Tree product. So let's get started. So along with the Dollar Tree product, I also use this really pretty paper, and it's called the Essentials by Craft Paper. It's Ink Drop Vivid. I saw this on Jennifer McGuire's channel. This is really pretty paper. I ordered it off of Amazon, and it's from the Crafty Consortium. And let me show you some of the pages in here. Super pretty paper. It's like ink blending, which you don't have to do. And this one is called Vivid. And then I also used these cute little La Petite bows from Hobby Lobby. I need to get some more of these. I hope they still have them in stock. And this is the Paper Studio. I used some Distress Oxides, the Fossilized Amber. And I also used from the My Scrap Cabin shop this really pretty seam binding, and this color is Aster. And I also used this color, which is Plum. Such a vivid color. So let me show you what I made. I made some items using this Dollar Tree chipboard piece. This Dollar Tree little birdie that they now have that are colored, which I think is totally awesome. And this burlap flower that I purchased at Dollar Tree. So these are the Dollar Tree products that I used on the item that I'm going to show you. So what did I make? I made some tags. So here's the first tag. This is using the seam binding. And there's the leaf. And then the flower. I kind of detached the middle part. Have some little jimmies on here. I think these are by Bo Bunny. And then the little bird, I put some glittering glue from Spellbinders on top to make it all shiny. Isn't that pretty? And these could either hang from a gift bag or go on a card. And I think I'm going to put mine on a card. Show you the next one. The next one has the sweet little bow from Hobby Lobby. And then there's the bird. And then some jimmies. I think these are, I'm sure these may be, honeybee stamps. Gems. And then there's the bird. Isn't that pretty? So I'm going to show you how I did that really quick. So you have the leaf. And then we're going to use, I think, the bluebird. Oh, I have him over here, the bluebird. And this one I haven't covered with the glossy color yet. And then the tag. And the tag is what I used the Distress Oxide on the end to kind of give it a gold look. That yellow kind of comes off as gold. And then the flower. So all I did was just kind of manipulated that centerpiece off of the burlap leaves or the petals. And it comes off pretty easily. And you don't want to pull it too hard because you don't want to pull the petals loose. And then if you get to a point where you're concerned, you can just get your scissors and just kind of cut it off. Like so. So have that off. And then I actually use glue, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use a little hot glue. I just used my art glitter glue. But I want to be able for this to adhere pretty quick. So I'll use a little bit of hot glue on the leaf. I use my tweezers to get really good placement. Place it down. Squeeze it. Then I take the flower for the remaining petals. And then we're just gonna adhere that down, hold it. And this piece kind of left a little bit of brown, but I don't think it's gonna show. I don't have my really good scissors to cut that out, but I think we'll be fine. And that's not going anywhere. And then we're gonna strategically place the bird over that brown part. And getting a little, sorry, I'm maybe up a camera shot there. And then using my, and then adhere the bird down. So just give that a little bit of time to set. And voila, you're done. You have an awfully sweet little tag made from Dollar Tree products and from items from your stash. What do you think? Let me know below. Stay tuned for the next video in the series. Bye.